Make them text you during this 10-second countdown. This is based on the teachings of Neville Goddard, and it is powerful. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, now is the best time to claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Look, we've helped people in 60 different countries, and I know we can help you too. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. So high flyers, today we're going to do a countdown, and the countdown is only for 10 seconds. Now, this will only work if you follow me step by step all the way through the video. So during the 10-second countdown or shortly thereafter, your specific person is going to text you or call you. Now, it may seem amazing. It may even seem a little bit like wizardry, but it's based on the law of attraction and the teachings of Neville Goddard. Each person is born with infinite power against which no earthly force is of the slightest significance. Neville Goddard. Neville is telling you right now that you have the power, this very moment, during this video, during our 10-second countdown, to literally have your specific person text you or call you. Do you believe it? Well, if you choose to believe it, you've activated the power, and miraculous, wonderful things are about to happen. This means you are co-creator of your power, of your reality, of your life. And all you have to do right now is claim your power for just 10 seconds. So you and I are going to do this 10-second countdown, and you're going to be absolutely certain that your specific person is actively texting you or calling you, or has already actively texted or called. There is no trying, there is only doing. You see, Neville Goddard teaches us that when we beg in prayer, please do this, please make this happen, please this, please that, and I see this on my timeline as well. People say, pray for me that Jimmy come back to me. Well, look, this is about you creating your own reality. This isn't about anybody praying that Jimmy's going to come back to you. You have the power to create right now, in this 10-second moment that's coming up, what you desire. Choose to accept it. Choose to believe it. Choose to know it. You see, begging, wishing, wanting, hoping, jumping up and down, beating your chest, pulling your hair, all of that comes from a lack mentality, and it ensures that what you desire moves away from you, not closer to you. It's the opposite of what you need to be doing. Neville says that we must claim that which we desire. Are you ready to claim it now with me? That your specific person, I don't care if you've been ghosted, I don't care if you've gone through a divorce, I don't care what the circumstances are you ready to claim it right now? Are you ready to believe in the divine power that flows through you? So right now, I ask you to claim that your specific person will text you during this 10-second countdown. Claim your desires. Believe that it's happening. Assume the wish fulfilled. What do you feel like when you get a text from your specific person? How good do you feel? How excited do you feel? Focus on that right this moment. It's time that you trust that the divine universe flows through you, and that what you are about to create is about to manifest in the 3D. It's already manifested in your mind. You've already seen it clearly in your mind. That phone call, that ring, that buzz, whatever it is. You've seen it. You know what it feels like. You know how excited you get. Okay? So you've already been there in your mind. It's already been created. Now, you're just manifesting it into 3D. So take a deep breath and let's begin together. 10. You have the magnetic force to draw your specific person to you. 9. Your specific person is thinking about you. They're desiring you. They're desiring to hear from you, to text you. 8. Your specific person hungers to connect with you right now. 7. You can intuitively feel them reaching for their phone. They're reaching for their phone and they're preparing to text you. 6. We're halfway through the countdown and you can feel the energy flowing in your direction. 5. Some of you are getting your text already. You saw clearly in your mind what you desired and it's already happened. 4. They're desiring to text you. They're picking up their phone and they're dialing your number. 3, they're writing out their text to you. They're choosing their words carefully, but they are contacting you right now. 2, your phone is buzzing or ringing this very moment. I'm absolutely excited for you. I'm thrilled for you. This is happening right now. 1, you have received a text from your specific person. Now, if you've received this text, before you answer back, take a moment to invoke the power of gratitude. And even if you're still waiting for your text, which may come in the next second or two, I want you to say this with me. I am grateful that my specific person has texted me, and that our commitment is growing and deepening. Fill yourself with gratitude. That's how you're going to get more texting, more communication. And for those of you who haven't received yours yet, don't be disappointed. It is coming right now. It's happening this very moment. Fill yourself with gratitude that you've already received your text. Now, high flyers, repeat this countdown anytime you need a text from your specific person. Remember, we're here for you almost every day, so be sure and subscribe and click the bell icon. And by the way, follow me on Law of Attraction Secrets. That's my audio podcast, and it's on Spotify, it's on iTunes or Apple, it's wherever podcasts are heard. It's all over the place. Law of Attraction Secrets. Now, I want to help you also attract large amounts of money. So be sure and watch this next video. It's a special meditation at 888 hertz.